Welcome to the world of social media. Social media is everywhere, and it has become an integral part of our daily lives. It's how we connect, share, and learn. From staying in touch with friends and family to discovering new trends and information, social media has revolutionized the way we communicate. Whether you're new to social media or want to improve your skills, this guide is for you. We'll cover the basics and delve into advanced strategies to help you make the most out of your social media experience. We'll explore different platforms and how to use them effectively, from Facebook's community building features to Instagram's visual storytelling, and from Twitter's real-time updates to TikTok's creative videos. Each platform offers unique opportunities. Get ready to unlock a world of possibilities. Social media is not just for personal use. It can also be a powerful tool for professional growth and business success. Social media is a powerful tool for businesses and individuals. It allows brands to reach a wider audience, engage with customers, and build a strong online presence. It's important to understand how to use it to your advantage. We'll guide you through creating engaging content, analyzing performance metrics, and optimizing your social media strategy. By the end of this guide, you'll have the knowledge to navigate the exciting world of social media. You'll be equipped with the skills to connect, share, and grow in this digital age. And let's get started. Social media platforms are websites and apps that connect people. They allow users to create content, share experiences, and interact with others. Think of them as digital spaces where you can connect with friends, family, and people with shared interests. These platforms offer various ways to communicate, from text posts and photos to videos and live streams. They've become essential for staying connected and informed in today's world. Whether you want to share your thoughts, learn new things, or build a business, social media has something for everyone. The journey of social media began with simple online forums. People used these platforms to discuss shared interests and connect with like-minded individuals. 6degrees.com, launched in 1997, is considered one of the first recognizable social media platforms. Over time, platforms like MySpace and Friendster emerged, allowing users to create personalized profiles and connect with friends. The launch of Facebook in 2004 revolutionized social media, connecting people worldwide and changing how we interact online. Today, social media continues to evolve, with new platforms and trends constantly emerging. Facebook is the largest social media platform globally, with billions of users. It allows you to connect with friends and family, join groups, share updates, and engage in discussions. Businesses use Facebook to connect with customers, build brand awareness, and run advertising campaigns. Facebook's algorithm prioritizes content from friends and family, making it ideal for staying updated on loved ones' lives. Its diverse user base spans ages and interests, providing valuable insights for businesses. To maximize your Facebook experience, create engaging content, interact with your followers, and use relevant hashtags. Section 5. Instagram, a visual storybook. Instagram is a visual-centric platform where users share photos and videos. It's known for its aesthetically pleasing content and is popular among millennials and Gen Z. Businesses use Instagram to showcase their products, run influencer marketing campaigns, and engage with their target audience. Instagram Stories, a feature that allows users to share temporary content, has gained immense popularity. Reels, Instagram's short-form video format, offers another engaging way to connect with your audience. To succeed on Instagram, focus on high-quality visuals, use relevant hashtags, and interact with your followers consistently. Section 6. Twitter, breaking news and conversations. Twitter is a microblogging platform where users share short messages called tweets. It's known for its real-time news updates, public conversations, and trending topics. Businesses use Twitter to share company news, engage in customer service, and participate in industry discussions. Twitter's character limit encourages concise communication, making it ideal for sharing quick updates and joining fast-paced conversations. Its hashtag system allows users to follow specific topics and engage with relevant content. To make the most of Twitter, stay active, use relevant hashtags, and engage with your followers. Section 7. TikTok, short videos, big impact. TikTok is a video sharing platform known for its short-form, entertaining videos. These videos range from dance challenges and lip syncs to comedy skits and educational content. The platform's unique format allows users to express their creativity in just a few seconds, making it a hub for viral trends and internet sensations. It has gained immense popularity, especially among Gen Z, and is used for entertainment, education, and marketing. The app's user-friendly interface and engaging content have made it a favorite pastime for millions. From learning new skills to staying updated with the latest trends, TikTok offers something for everyone. Businesses use TikTok to create viral content, reach a younger audience, and promote their products or services. By leveraging the platform's vast user base, companies can launch innovative marketing campaigns that resonate with younger consumers. Creative and authentic content often performs best, leading to increased brand awareness and customer engagement. TikTok's algorithm is highly personalized, showing users content based on their interests and engagement. This means that the more you interact with the app, the better it gets at recommending videos you'll enjoy. The algorithm's ability to surface relevant content keeps users hooked and coming back for more. This makes it a powerful platform for businesses to reach their target audience organically. By analyzing TikTok analytics, marketers can fine-tune their strategies to maximize reach and impact. Successful campaigns often result in significant boosts in brand visibility and sales. To succeed on TikTok, create engaging short-form videos, use trending sounds and hashtags, and interact with other users. Building a community and fostering engagement are key to growing your presence on the platform. By staying current with trends and consistently posting high-quality content, you can harness the full potential. Discussions. Section 9. Best practices for social media success. Regardless of the platform, some universal best practices apply to social media success. Firstly, define your goals and target audience. What do you want to achieve with social media? Who are you trying to reach? Secondly, create high-quality, engaging content that resonates with your target audience. Use a mix of content formats such as text, images, and videos to keep your audience engaged. Thirdly, be consistent with your posting schedule and engage with your followers regularly. Respond to comments, answer questions, and foster a sense of community. Section 10. Shaping your social media journey. Social media is a powerful tool that can connect, inform, and entertain us. It has revolutionized the way we communicate, share information, and even how we perceive the world around us. From staying in touch with friends and family to following the latest news and trends, social media platforms offer a myriad of possibilities. By understanding the different platforms and their unique features, you can leverage their power to achieve your personal and professional goals. Whether you're looking to build a personal brand, promote a business, or simply stay connected with loved ones, each platform offers distinct advantages. For instance, Instagram is great for visual storytelling, while Twitter excels in real-time updates and conversations. Remember to use social media responsibly, be mindful of your digital footprint, and prioritize authenticity in your interactions. It's important to be aware of the content you share and how it reflects on you. Always check your privacy settings to ensure you're comfortable with who can see your posts. Authenticity is key. People appreciate genuine interactions and can often tell when someone is being insincere. As you embark on your social media journey, remember to stay curious, experiment with different platforms and strategies, and most importantly, have fun. Don't be afraid to try new things and see what works best for you. Social media is a dynamic space, and what works today might not work tomorrow. Keep an open mind and be willing to adapt. The world of social media is constantly evolving, offering endless opportunities for connection, learning, and growth. New platforms and features are being introduced all the time, so there's always something new to explore. Embrace the changes and use them to your advantage. Whether you're looking to expand your network, learn new skills, or simply have fun, social media has something to offer everyone.